Hello. This video is a direct response to a question from Katy about how to crochet in Winnie's ears. We're now on the last round of the ears, which consists of 6 slip stitches and 12 single crochet stitches. We need to fold the ear in half so that the 3 slip stitches align with the other 3, and the 6 single crochet stitches align with the other 6. You can lightly stuff the ear. Now that round 79 is finished, we're moving on to round 80, the joining round. First, we will make 26 single crochet stitches and decrease. Then, we will start attaching the first ear. The slip stitches on the ear should be facing forward, toward the muzzle. We'll hold the ear in place and crochet through both sides of the ear and into a stitch on the head. The first stitch is a single crochet through both sides of the ear and the next stitch on the head. The next stitch will be a decrease, again going through both sides of the ear and into the head. We made a decrease. We'll repeat this to make 3 more decreases. You should end up with a total of 5 stitches joining the ear. Just repeat the decrease process to finish joining the ear. After I complete my round, I'll show you what it looks like. We'll join the second ear on the next round in the same way, with the slip stitches part facing forward the muzzle. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and bye for now.